Good morning, children. Children, I hope you understood adjectives very well. Now today you will learn degrees of comparison of adjectives. Before starting the topic, I want you to recall what are adjectives. Children, adjectives are the describing words. They describe about noun and pronoun. Adjectives are also used to compare the qualities of noun and pronoun. For comparing noun or pronoun, we use degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. They are positive, comparative and superlative. The positive degree of an adjective simply describes a single person, animal, object, place or group without changing its form. For example, Rita is tall. Here, tall is the word which describes Rita, but there is no comparison, so it is of positive degree. Now, let us study about comparative degree. The comparative degree or form is used to compare only 2 things, people, animals or places. Usually, the comparative degree of an adjective is formed by adding er to the adjective. Comparative form is always followed by than. Example, Geeta is taller than Rita. Here, the adjective taller is the comparative form of adjective tall. The word taller is formed by adding er to the adjective tall. It is used to compare 2 girls, Rita and Geeta. Now, what is superlative degree? The superlative degree or form is used to compare more than 2 things, people, animals or places. Usually, the superlative degree of an adjective is formed by adding est to the adjective. We always use article the before the superlative form of an adjective. Example, Neeta is the tallest of all the girls. Here, adjective tallest is the superlative form of the adjective tall. The word tallest is formed by adding est to the adjective tall. It is used to compare more than 2 girls. Now, look at some more examples of positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Positive degree high, comparative higher and superlative highest. In this way, you will see many pictures of comparative and superlative degrees. Positive, thick, comparative, thicker, superlative, thickest. Big, bigger, biggest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Easy, easier, easiest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Cold, colder, coldest. Funny, funnier, funniest. Short, shorter, shortest. Positive, loud, comparative, louder, superlative, loudest. Let us see some more adjectives in their positive, comparative and superlative form. First one, bold, bolder, boldest. Bossy, bossier, bossiest. Brave, braver, bravest. Brief, briefer, briefest. Bright, brighter, brightest. late, later, latest, many, more, most, near, nearer, nearest, in, inner, inmost or innermost, out, outer, utter, utmost or uttermost. Some examples of irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives form their positive, comparative and superlative degrees in a different form. Look at the examples. Positive, good, comparative, better and superlative, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Many adjectives of two and more than two syllables take the word more before them to form the comparative degree and the word most to form the superlative degree. For example, faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Active, more active, most active. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Careful, more careful, most careful. Cunning, more cunning, most cunning. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Famous, more famous, most famous. Proper, more proper, most proper. Popular, more popular, most popular. Splendid, more splendid, most splendid.